Hello viewers, welcome back. Today I got here the Honda CRF 450L, and we're going to be doing a basic service and oil change. So let's get to it. Here's the part number for the Honda oil filter. I used some foam filter oil, some grease, my DeWalt, a 10 mil Allen key, an 8 mil, a 10 mil, a ratchet, and a torque wrench. I'll include a link in the description below for a few of my favorite tools and supplies. The first thing I'm going to do is warm the bike up to ensure a complete and rapid drain. Now I'm going to take a 10 mil socket and remove the skid plate. The drain plug on this bike is a 10 millimeter Allen key located right there. Now we can pull our drain plug and let it drain. They're usually pretty tight. While the oil drains, I'm going to take my 10 mil again, remove the seat and the air filter. I'm going to clean it and let it dry in the sun for a little while. Now I'm going to remove this cover here and then the oil filter cover. Make sure you don't drop your spring in your drain bucket. Now I'm going to install the oil filter the same way the old one came off. Rubber side onto the cap. Then the spring. Now slide it back into the motor. Tighten up the bolts and reinstall the cover. Next, I'm going to reinstall the drain plug and torque it to 13 foot-pounds. Reinstall the skid plate, and then we'll finish up the air filter. Before I finish the air filter, I'm going to fill the oil. It takes 1.1 liters after filter and oil drain. Don't forget to properly check the oil level on this bike. It needs to be standing straight up and down, not on the kickstand. Now I'm going to finish up the air filter, and then we'll run the bike and double check the oil. I'm going to put a heavy layer of foam filter oil on my filter, squish it up in the bag, and then I'm going to run a bead of grease around this outside edge here so that it seals up to the bike. And there we go. Our filter has a heavy layer of oil, a little bit of grease on the backside, and it's ready to go back into the bike. Time to run the bike so we can double check the oil. Don't forget to check over the rest of your bike as well. Check your tire pressures, your brakes, front and back, clean and lube your chain. Click the video in the top down corner for how to do that. And check your fork seals, make sure they're not leaking. As always, if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my basic service on the Honda 450L. Ride safe.